Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Today we're going to be making chicken korma with cashews and coconut rice from Gobble. So I've got all my ingredients here and my protein, which is diced chicken breast. Here, let me make sure I got the right one because I got two chicken recipes in this box. And this doesn't say diced on it, so let me just double check the other one really quick. Alright, the other one is unmarked, but I can tell by looking at it that this one is probably the diced one. So we're going to go with this bad boy. And, dun-da-da-da, I have an update for you. We are now, what 34? 36 weeks pregnant? 36. Somewhere. I have 5 weeks left. So my stomach is really big. Zaire has been out here in these streets. So just growing like crazy, half a pound a week. So the reason why we went with Gobble is because I am pregnant. And their big selling point is that they don't take as long. Oh, how do I open this? They don't take as long as other meal prep services. Just a second. Let me grab some scissors. Alright, I'm back. So supposedly they only take about 15 minutes per meal. So, because a lot of the prep work is already done for you, which I appreciate. This is empty. Okay. Throw that over here on the side. And so, yeah, that should save you some time. So let's get cracking. Here's our recipe card. Let's flip her over. Step 1, rinse and pat dry our haircut grits. Then slice into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to, step 2, add the diced chicken breast to a mixing bowl and season to your spice preference with the korma spice, which is that. Alright, so this is the korma spice. So we're going to combine these two. Lightly season with salt and pepper. Here we go, right here. And then stir until evenly coat. See chef's tip. We recommend tasting a sample of the spice to gauge your spice preference before, whatever. This is an Afro-Latino household. I'm sure it'll be fine. Place a non-stick saucepan, cooking oil, medium heat. Cook for 3 minutes and then add your haircut Bert's. I'm probably destroying this name. Cook for 3 more minutes. Add your curry sauce. Simmer. Interesting. Oh, we're going to microwave the rice. Oh, place the coconut basmati rice into a microwave-safe bowl. Oh, and then we're done. That's the whole recipe, guys. Look at that. Oh, so this is cooked already. Oh, because I was about to say, this by itself takes 20 minutes. You know? Okay, good. Good, very good. All right, so let's get cracking then. I'm going to get a mixing bowl. Start with that. And get our chicken seasoned. Hopefully got my scissors already ready. All right. And I'm going to wash my hands really quick. Just a second. I'm back. I'm also going to pat this dry just a smidge. Let's do our spice. All of that goes in because yay. Spice is our friend in this household. If anything, I am running out of sriracha trying to fix recipes because the spice level was a joke. Alright, salt. Oh my gosh, the smell. Yes. Smells really nice. Okay. Pepper. And that's how we're looking, folks. So before I mix this, I'm going to go ahead and get my pot on because I think we're going to be ready to go really soon. I already have my wok over there, so let me just go ahead and put some oil in that and get it turned on. Just a second. And we're back. All right, so that's on and popping. Get this seasoned, mixed up, and coated, and all that loveliness. All right, so chicken's coated. We're gonna toss her in. Rinse these. Just slice these down into bite-sized pieces. This one's looking kind of rough. You guys see that? He's looking not so great. A little slimy. Let me just inspect my produce. No, I'm paranoid. Okay, the rest of them look good. The rest of them look fine. Alright, I'm going to go rinse these bad boys off. Probably cut them in half. One good time. And then we'll toss them on in there. So, let me, let's see. Let me bring you over here first. I can already smell the oil. I think we're just about ready. Meantime, since I can smell the oil, let's go ahead and toss in the chicken so that can cook. Because it's going to take me all of 2 seconds to slice the, it's starting to smoke, you see that? Maybe I got it turned up too high. Let's turn it down just a smidge. Okay, let me get your little stand over here for the best visual. Get you all zoomed in. No, that's not that bad. I was, standing way back expecting to, die when this chicken hit this grease, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, there we go. So there's that. I'm going to turn that up just a smidge. And I'm going to zoom you in to enjoy that view while I slice up my green beans. And I'm going to set this to 3 minutes just so that I don't lose track of what's going on. Be right back. So I'm going to add in our green beans, which I've chopped. I found 1 or 2 more that were looking a little sad and suspicious. So I pulled those out. But in general, the green beans were looking fine. So we're going to do this for another 3 minutes. And then we're going to stir in our korma curry sauce and cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're at 3 minutes on that, and per the instructions, I'm going to add our korma curry sauce. Make sure I got the bag empty. And here we go. So we got another 3 minutes on this. Set my timer one more time. All right, 3 minutes. In the meantime, we're supposed to place our coconut basmati rice into a microwave-safe bowl, cover with a damp paper towel, and microwave for a minute, stir, and then microwave for another minute. So I'm going to bring you, my kitchen smells great. Whole house smells great. As to be expected with Indian spices. All right, here we go. Here's my rice. Just gonna push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, like so. There we go. Toss this. get my damp paper towel and we're gonna throw this into the microwave. Be right back. Okay, I'm putting my damp paper towel on top here. And yeah, into the microwave she goes for a minute. Okay, and we're back. So fresh out the microwave. Here is my rice. She's steaming, as you can see. So I'm going to divide this up between these two bowls. Ooh, it's hot. Jesus. You can smell the coconut. Let's divide this up. There we go. That looks about even-ish. Okay. Now we're going to put our chicken korma on top. I'm trying to like balance this against my stomach. Sorry, Zaire. Oh, my poor son. Alright, that's all she wrote. Just put it off to the side. My poor little hands. Alright, so we are supposed to now garnish with cilantro. Here we go. And our cilantro is looking a little not so great. See that? Looking a little not so wonderful. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Let's garnish with some cilantro. See, I'm not doing any more than that right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm already short of breath and tired of standing. So this is going to be all she wrote. Here are our cashews. Just cutting this open, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top, and we're done. Here's our chicken korma, guys. That's how we're looking. Try and get you a close-up. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Smells great. So I'm going to go ahead and try mine. It just tastes really well seasoned. A 7 out of 10. It's okay. It's not blowing me away. The spices taste great, but it's not spicy or, so I say go ham with that korma spice. Just use it all. I think you'll be fine. But again, that's me talking. That's my opinion. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't order it again. It's okay. It's 6.5. 6.5. It's okay. Like, I'm gonna eat this. I'll enjoy it. But I wouldn't make it again. It did take me about 20 minutes to make it. A lot of time was spent, just gathering tools and materials and washing my hands and doing little things here and there. I think overall the prep time was probably closer to 15 to 20 minutes. 9 minutes cook time. Once you started throwing stuff in the pot. And 2 minutes to microwave the rice. So the rest of it was, washing and cutting the vegetables, which, you only had to do that once. And, me washing my hands and little things like that. So 20 minutes total. So I'm really pleased with the amount of time that this took, because I'm now at the end of my little stamina drive moment. Ready to go sit down. And yeah, I would recommend to try it, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not blowing me away. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And thank you again for joining us on Honest Try TV. This has been the chicken korma, cashew and coconut rice from Gobble. See you guys later. Bye.